Tours now features more flights to more destinations every day, with the most on-time departures and arrivals in the galaxy. All our Starspeeder 1000s are piloted by the very best Class 3 droids, the most confident and confident pilots you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
And the friendliest, too.
Looks like we're ready for another on-time departure.
All Star Tours pilots are programmed to deliver you on time, every time. So when your plans call for intergalactic travel, call Star Tours.
And sit back, relax, and...
Do you desire a place to get away? How about free? You truly belong here among the clouds on Bespin, the first stop on your Star Tours getaway package. Stay and play in the clouds and enjoy the spectacular Fantasy in the Sky fireworks pageant every single night. The fun continues on the forest moon of Endor, where you'll sleep under the stars with the lovable Ewoks in their charming tribal villages. Your third stop brings you to the peaceful world of Alderaan, where you can relax in a natural wonderland recently voted safest planet in the galaxy by Hyperspace Traveler. This incredible getaway package is 3 times the fun in one. So ask your Star Tours travel consultant to book yours today.
I was sometimes wondering why Captain Anthony volunteered our services to Star Tours. But at least we're safe, aren't we?
Attention. The current security threat has been raised to level 5.
Will you relax, Commander? What's wrong with the hyperdrive motivator? Well, fix it, and hurry. Don't insult me rather than scrap out. At least I'm doing my job. Yes, ma'am. So just you get back to fixing that hyperdrive motivator.
Droids threw in their luggage just so they won't have to pay the duty fee. But in the battle against smugglers, nothing gets past me. What was that? Oh, and my name isn't Roger, it's P292.
There is no eating or drinking in our building. Once again, please make sure you have your face coverings on, over your nose to under your chin, the entire time you're inside our building. Thank you and have a great day.
Keep it moving, humans, and try to act less suspicious. Thank you. You have that wild-eyed look of a Corellian's a tourist. Are you sure you're not routing? Because you're coming out green with here.
This one, go side by side, left to right.
That's my wife, assistant. I understand you with the astromech. Don't you tell me to hire you ever good enough. Just do your job, and I'll do mine. Excuse me.
Who are you?
C3PO, systems analyst.
It's about time. Binary motivators, then.
Well, binary is like a second language for me. I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on. Shoot. Tour droids. Really? What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This could get longer than I thought.
Scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you. Takeoff sequence initiated.
R2D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transports hold for security clearance.
Those stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. What is that?
Here's our platoon. Where are we going? This is madness. Don't you dare make the jump to right.
Watch out for the stop. Oh, yeah.
Now what? Hot race. I've always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! We'll show him. We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power. We won! Now come on, let's get out of here. Watch out! Transmission.
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your starspeeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour?
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't programmed for this. Asteroid! Ought to get them off before they rip us apart! They've severed the controls! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look onto a platform! Let's land there! Oh, thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
safe. Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain? Glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying me.
There we go.